This video is sponsored by Truco Republic, the precious metals experts. Talk to one of their experts today about diversifying your risk and, ladies and gentlemen, making sure that your future is diversified and secure. Find their contact information in the description below and pinned in our first comment. James Kaufman, World News Report today, July 11th, 2024. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a 7.1 earthquake near the Philippines at 620 kilometers of depth with an associated tsunami warning. Now, we've had another very strange quake off the California coast right here. That's going to be the Wanda Fuco plate being subsided or pushed under the North American plate by the Pacific plate. And, well, obviously it's a 3.1, not as big as some of the other ones we've seen of late. But the 7.1 was a big bad boy here south of the Philippines with a tsunami warning 620 kilometers below sea level. Wow. A big, deep quake for sure. All right, here we are again, actually near a plate boundary here and, well, under several awakening and actually erupting volcanoes in the Philippine area. We're talking about a 7.1 USGS main source, French 6.4, right? The Europeans is 7.1. Guys, this is so deep, we're going to see repercussions and aftershocks for days, period. Detailed information coming up over at volcanodiscovery.com, being called a major 7.1 earthquake, 98 kilometers west-southwest of the Philippines, Sangay, Philippines, and on the 11th, as we all know. Let's see how strong it was. All right, we have a 7.1 magnitude earthquake, 620 kilometers, verified, USGS main reporting service, 42.1 atomic bombs worth of energy released. Wow. If y'all saw the two little boy, big boy atomic bombs we dropped, this is, well, unbelievable. 42.1 atomic bombs. All right, taking a quick look, USGS 7.1. This is the Philippines, 7170 from Indonesia, 65 from the Germans, 71 from Australia, 64 from the French. The Italians came in at 66, a 7.1 out of the International Research Institute on Seismology, a 7.0 out of the Chinese, and a 7.1 out of the Europeans again. I thought we saw the Europeans up here. I guess we did not. So, big quake. Very, very deep. 627.25 kilometers of depth. So, of course, we did check all the National Buoy Center buoys, tsunami buoys, if you will. There's so few in the world. Nothing is in event mode, period. Good call, Dan. Lots of love out to Dan for this tip. Ladies and gentlemen, let's summarize this. It's huge. In summary, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake, about 620 kilometers below sea level. Tsunami warning, no tsunami created. Ladies and gentlemen, a very big quake here in the Philippines. Hey, the ring of fire is going to light up on the other side very soon. So, quick summary again. What? 42.1 atomic bombs worth of energy released, 620 kilometers of depth. Tsunami warning, no tsunami. A 7.1. Unbelievable. God bless you and yours. Please share, subscribe. Always remember, anything's possible in bizarre-ass world. God bless.